2022 Bahrain International Airshow, a global aviation event, began today at Sakhir Air Base in the Kingdom of Bahrain. On behalf of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, His Royal Highness Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, the Crown Prince and Prime Minister launched the event. His Royal Highness emphasized that the Kingdom of Bahrain has attracted major global events through its established presence in the exhibition and conference industry. The airshow attracted over 180 companies, 160 delegations and 30 countries, and it will continue until Friday.
The Phenom 100 EV from the Emirates Flight Training Academy. This was specifically designed for the Emirates Flight Training Academy, and there is 5 in the fleet. This is more designed to give more jet experience to the aspiring pilots that are wishing to join the Emirates A3A team.
Everything is adjustable in here, as well as the rider pedals, the seats and everything, so you can fit yourself well and just fly the airplane. It's easy to fly, it's fast, and it goes as high as any jet there, and it's very fast aircraft.
The world's leading aerobatics team adorned Sakhir skies as they took off to a marvelous performance. Red Arrows remained the favorite with its unique performance that left the audience spellbound. The world's largest express transportation company is showcasing its one-stop shipping solutions for the aerospace industry at the Bahrain International Airshow.
This car made it for the bomb to save the human. Manufactured in Bahrain National Guard. It can carry gun, also it can carry the bomb until weight 30 kg.
The state-owned Israel Aerospace Industries exhibit at the prestigious Bahrain International Airshow. This event is organized by the Transportation and Telecommunications Ministry and the Royal Bahrain Air Force, and Day 1 concluded with an exciting airshow.